There is a difference between being poor and being broke. Broke is temporary, poor is eternal. Money comes and goes, but if you have the education about how money works, you gain power over it and can become wealthy. Hello everyone and welcome to Avid Wisdom. Here is the summary of the book called Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Before we continue, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Like our Facebook page, link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you like this video. Watch this video till the end. Robert Kiyosaki had two fathers, a rich one and a poor one. One was highly educated with a PhD degree and so intelligent he completed his undergraduate degree in only 2 years. The other father didn't even finish his 8th grade. While both men worked hard, were successful and earned a lot of money, there was always one who struggled with money. And the other dad, well, he became one of the richest men in Hawaii. By having two dads with entirely different mindset, Kiyosaki found himself comparing the two dads a lot. It was hard to figure out which dad he should listen to. Neither of them had found success yet, and both were experiencing financial struggle as they were still early in their careers. School don't provide financial education, thus causing the poor and the middle class to be in debt. If millions of people need financial and medical assistance, Medicare and Social Security may run out. The truth is that the majority of rich people do work very hard, but they go about it differently than most people do. Rich people and the people who want to become rich work and learn every day how to put money to work for them. As Rich Dad says, the poor and middle class work for money, the rich have money work for them. Kiyosaki also notes that having a regular job is just a short-term solution for the long-term problem of creating wealth and financial freedom. It's fear that most people working at a job, the fear of not paying their bills, the fear of being fired, the fear of not having enough money, the fear of starting it all over again. That's the price of studying to learn a profession or trade and then working for money. Most people become slaves to money and then get angry at their boss. Most people confuse their profession with their business. In other words, they spend their entire lives working in somebody else's business and making other people rich. The primary reason the majority of the poor and the middle class are fiscally conservative is that they have no financial foundation. They have a clinch to their jobs and play it safe. They can't afford to take risk. Want to grow rich? Concentrate your efforts on buying income producing assets. When you truly understand what an asset is, keep liabilities and expenses low, you will deepen your asset column. As asset is something that has value, that produces income or appreciates and has a market where the assets can easily be bought and sold. Asset produces income, assets appreciates, assets do both. As Kiyosaki writes, I recommend to young people to seek work for what they will learn more than what they will earn. Look down the road at what skills they want to acquire before choosing a specific profession and before getting trapped in the rat race. In fact, that's exactly what Kiyosaki did. He joined the Marines after graduating from college and learned the essential business skills of leading and managing people. After serving his country, Kiyosaki joined Xerox, overcoming his fear of rejection to become one of the top 5 salesperson in the company, then left the corporate world to form his own business. The 5 big ideas from the book. The poor and the middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. It's not how much money you make that matters. It's how much money you keep. Rich acquire assets, the poor and the middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets. Financial aptitude is what you do with money once you make it, how you keep people from taking it from you, how you keep it longer, and how you make money work harder for you. The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. Work to learn, don't work for money. Rich Dad would always say, if you want to become rich, you must know what kind of income to work hard for, how to keep it, how to protect it from loss. That is the key of great wealth. If you do not understand the difference in these three incomes, ordinary, earned, portfolio and passive, and do not learn the skills on how to acquire and protect those incomes, you will probably spend your entire life less than what you can earn and working harder than you should. Let me conclude this video by saying the key to financial freedom and great wealth is a person's ability to convert earned income into passive or portfolio income. As Warren Buffett advised, that risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Your destiny relies on how you spend your money and your time. Your family's future will be determined by your choice today. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Please comment down below and let me know if you like this video and if you have any suggestion for our channel. See you till the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.